So, nandito kami guys sa Sarangani Highlands. Nahulog pa ang ako ang paypay pastilan. Ayan. So, maganda dito guys, oh, kasi marami siyang mga bougainvillea, maraming mga different plants. Ayan. So, meron din silang mga rooms dito. We haven't checked their menu yet. May nyug, oh. First time namin ito guys na nakalabas since dumating kami dito last February. Hindi pa kami nakapunta ng dagat or anywhere. Isn't that funny?
Oh, yes.
Pero we feel contented sa, sa bahay lang. Kung ano yung routine namin sa ngayon. Ayan, dito guys, pwede din kayong kumain dito na area. Oh. Tapos overlooking dito ang dagat. Ayan, dito. Maganda siya dito. Lalo na kapag gabi. Ano ito siya? Dili siya papaya. Anak ko.
Even your friend agrees that stray cats are very nice if you get them young.
Oo. They're very sweet. She wants to have a stray cat. Ambot, mas ganahan siya. Ang friend ko. Hi, Del.
But then now it's ruined because Luna got pregnant.
Yeah. Ano lang? So we're gonna go to the other guys restaurant. Oo siya. Hala, nice. It doesn't look real. Yeah. Hala, real ba ya siya guys? Oo. Unsa kaya na siya nga kuan? Nga plant no? Orchids. Dili siya orchid. Oo. So maganda dito, fresh air. Ayan. So we're just gonna order some light meal. Hi. Oo, dili. Saan tayo? Okay. May foreign trade doon. Yeah. Oo, dili may nagkuan. Nice dili kapag ka night time. Oo. Overlooking gani ang kuan beach. Oo. Very fresh. Oo. Magsana all na lang tayo dito.
So nice.
Yeah, that's the turon daddy. He hasn't tried that yet. Kaya dili man na siya ganahag ingon ana nga na ay sugar. How do you like it lang? Diba na? Sugar lagi. Oo. Pag magluto mi dito, wala siya sugar. Kain muna tayo guys. Snack lang. Kaya masama tagkatambok. Ay, nakauna man di ay. Ay, hala ka nice, no? Alright. Thank you so much. So, dito na tayo, guys. Hala, maganda dito. Oh, may iba't ibang Yes. Dirita Del, oh. Del, na, oh. Mag-date. Del, oh. Mag-date. Yeah.
You should date here.
Exactly. Look at that.
Wait, is this your second date? Wait, this is
Ay, nako, Daddy. Is this our second date, Daddy? Ay, na lang. Uh-oh. Go sweet. Ano? Where's the millipede? Ay, na, ay, millipede.
millipede.
Sige, get the courage, Rachel. Good job. Ay, na lang. Oh, naibani diri. Oh, bunny park. Oh, like for real. Those are real bunnies. There are bunnies, Daddy. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are cute ones.
Paradise. We should go here sometime.
Hala, uy, kuan ka ayo siya, oh. Pearl white, ang iyang kulay. Wow. Oo, nice sila ng bunny. Nice color.
The bunnies are cute, but it's like
They stink, right?
yeah. Yeah, I'll be holding the bunny and here I would get it. Oh wait, look over here. I'm a bunny.
Let me see. Let me see my little bunny. Hi, little bunny.
Hello,
How are you today?
I have a just in case pocket. Look at me. Wait, just in case pocket, just
Don't
in
let
case.
your lips touch that.
Okay, okay. I have a just in case pocket. I'm totally a bunny.
Wow,
Yeah,
what a
I'm a
beautiful,
bunny.
what a beautiful bunny. Ito siya yung other side ng ng Highland. Tapos sometimes may sila dyan own, I think live band. Yan, ito yung capacity dito. Yan. This is so nice. This is a nice park. Overlooking yung I think that's the Sarangani Bay. Oh. Ala, na ako siya din. Cool. On the side. Wow! And then, ganyan. Yan yung view natin. Ayan. Naa siya. Mo ni siyang iyahang. Yan. Yan na yung kanyang bunga. Pumunta kami doon kanina. Oh. Hinatid kami ng shuttle. Free lang siya. Ayan, madami siya dito. Yung owner nito, marami siyang mga bougainvillea. Meron din doong pool. Ganyan. Ay, very nice. So, mag-akyat tayo dito, guys. So, parang Spanish yung structure ng ng house. Ayan.
What is wrong with us? We were peeking over there, but then it's actually inside here.
Oh, they put some chairs. Hala, uy, nice siya.
Oh my god.
This building, this is what you will see.